Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open the browser, which you normally use, which everyone normally uses. And then you have to tap here, go to the history section, and then tap clear browsing data. Then you will have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. And then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files. And then you just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.